Hi, I'm Joe with Backcountry Solar. I wanted to make this video about what to watch for when you have solar or extra batteries installed into your RV by someone else. Make sure they know what they're doing. Make sure you know what needs to be done too. By looking at other videos that we actually have on our website for connecting batteries correctly and such. I want to point out some things that were done very poorly on this and very unsafe. First off, what they did is they had one battery in here and they wanted an extra battery. And they wanted a 3,000 watt inverter. All they did is the coach and all the charging power from the solar system came into this single battery. They did jumper cables off over this battery to here and connected the power inverter to this single battery. There is virtually no charging getting to this battery. They came in here and told me the power inverter would only run for 5 minutes, and this is why. The batteries are totally hooked in correctly. Secondly, this is a lead acid battery. As you can see, this is not an open compartment to the outside. So what was happening when these batteries are charging, this battery is charging, it is putting off gas from the lead acid battery. There's two bad things with that. One, it is poisonous to you, it can kill you. Second thing, a little spark from a motor running or a breaker tripping or someone turning the power switch off can actually cause an explosion and level this whole camper. This is something else you don't want. When I was disconnecting the solar this morning, I noticed on the auto reset breakers that they have for the entire coach, the wires that they hooked up on the bottom side is correct and done right. The upper side is what they hooked their wires to hook the self-levelers and other items up to this. Not one nut was even tight. So be sure you know who's doing it. And last but not least, this power inverter, it's only connected to the single battery. There is no fuse in it. And there needs to be a fuse to protect the power inverter and the batteries. Okay, something happens with too much of an amp draw. Thank you, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at Backcountry Solar at 970-882-8046, and have a great day.